Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Cherokee delivers refined comfort, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, ample cargo capacity, and rugged all-terrain capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.